got it all, baby. Your papa Uganda, your mama Burundi. My African star, baby, na umeumbwa ukaumbika. Yeah.
Hi guys, so we just dropped Hodamaya off, so I'm on my way to area 1 with Etatim. She actually wants to film a street food video. Hey! So yeah, and we have Mabel and Miss Trudy behind us. Mabel is driving, so yeah, I'll see you guys when we get there.
Do you know what love means? This is insane. You're saying things I can't explain.
Hi guys, so we just got to area 1 and we're about to try some street food. I'm so excited. So yeah, I'm so excited guys. I'm going to be taking you guys along with me and I'm going to be showing you guys what we have. So let's go.
This is where I draw the line and pretend that I'm leaving. This is me leaving. I'll let you win. I'll let you win. I'll let you win. I'll let you win. Hey. I'm taking my toothbrush. How does that feel? Tell me how this can be real.
Okay.
You're talking in riddles. Just let it go and trust me.
You know
if
what?
you
Yes,
love
from
me
rice.
so. It just isn't worth my.
So it goes from this to this, as you can see. So this is the process. Yeah.
Draw the line and pretend that I'm
We were at area 1 now and I just showed you guys how they make masa, and it's actually 50 naira for one. So you see, one is 50 naira and it's actually really filling. So we're going to be buying some and we're going to be trying it out. Can't wait!
I'll let you win. You're more to me than just a friend. I'm telling you, I'm not doing this again.
Yo, I'm looking for where to buy water. I actually don't know. Like, look at everything's there. Hey guys. Hey guys, so we're walking in now to buy kilishi. Em really wants to get kilishi, so we're actually going there now. And we're going to be showing you guys what it is. So guys, this is the kingdom of kilishi. If you're in Abuja and you want to get kilishi, make sure you come to area 1. Yes, it's the kingdom of kilishi. Like, it's actually a kingdom. You have variety, you have different, like you have multiple sellers of kilishi. So it depends on who you want to buy from. But yeah, and everybody does theirs differently. Let me show you guys. So, the color is so inviting. I know.
How much?
I love how you look at me, feeling low, nothing to lose. Can we say it tonight? Cause I don't wanna go. I know the tension's gone down.
Okay, so basically we're going to be trying. Can you divide it?
Try this one, they different.
This one I white one.
White beef and red beef.
Yes.
Okay, so this is white beef.
Is it the beef or the beef?
Nah, white pepper.
White pepper.
Cameroon pepper.
Okay.
This one are red pepper.
Oh, okay. So the difference is in the pepper.
Yes, yes.
So that's Cameroon pepper, and this is red pepper.
Yeah.
So all of them are beef, but one
Can you cut it into 4 so we can all have one?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Now you make.
So I'm going to be trying one
How
now.
you make? How you take?
Yeah, so I revive it. Why revive it?
Yeah. so dry.
So basically, this is M's first time trying beef.
So you cook it and then you blend it.
Yeah, and then you now dry it.
Right. Yo.
Do you like it, Trudy? Do you like it? This one? Yeah.
You wanna do it all again. Stuck on repeat in my mind. Dancing with you by my side. We can't get lost in time. Yeah, I wanna do it all again.
So this is 1,000 naira suya.
It's too small. Customer, no, be strange.
Oga, now do better something for us.
So how you take the book that one now?
You know that I don't wanna feel this way.
So this is 1,000 naira suya, guys.
And then I want 1,000 naira shredded beef as well.
Dambunama.
So
Okay, so that's it. Oh, it's called dambunama.
yeah. So guys, if you come to Area 1, make sure you buy from this guy. He's been so nice to us. So buy, ask for Champion, yes.
Alright, so can we go?
I don't think
Careful with that power bank.
Hi guys, so our next stop is, so we're done here now and we're off to Wuse 2, the Yahuza Suya in Wuse 2, because M wants to get chicken suya. Keep you guys posted on the next place we're going to. Yo, this kilishi is so spicy. Like, I'm on my second bottle of water and this is so spicy. Oh my god. Hi guys, so we just got to the Yahuza at Dreams in Wuse 2, I believe. So M wants to get suya. So we're going to be ordering chicken suya and masa to just try it. And yeah, M is filming a video on that. And basically there are other vendors here. It's not just Yahuza, you have a couple other places. You have where they sell catfish. It's basically a garden. It's called Dreams Garden. So let me just give you guys an overview of what it looks like. And then you have some other vendors around there, but this is where we're going to be shooting today. This is the main business. Okay.
so masa is 100 naira.
Yeah, one masa is 100 naira.
Wow.
Oh my god.
Street food.
I'm such a foodie, y'all.
Oh, so like they chop the masa and the suya and then they put it. Ooh,
So you eat it together.
tasty. Guys, I'm salivating. I know you are.
So this is masa and suya. So this masa is quite different from the other one because this one is more sugary and it's for and it's basically for eating suya. So it's different. You're going to like it. You can even eat the masa alone actually.
Can we start eating and stop
Yes,
all
you guys
this
should
talk?
start. Alright.
Yeah.
Foodie. Okay.
So guys, that was very fast, very quick, very fast. Yeah, so we're headed back to the hotel. I'm actually going to pack my bags. So basically, I'm going to be sharing a room with M tonight because we leave for Kaduna tomorrow. So I'm going to be ending the vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe, like this video, leave a comment, all that good stuff. And yeah, I would edit and post this video tonight, hopefully.
Later.
Hey guys, what's up and welcome back. Like, please just ignore the way I look because I look a total mess, and this is actually as a result of peer pressure, like legit. So basically I'm at Missouri and we are off to traffic. I'm actually sleeping over here because we leave for Kaduna tomorrow morning as early as 5-6 a.m. So that's why I'm here. I just finished editing the video and the video should be up by now. So if you haven't watched, the link will be in the description. Make sure you watch the video. So there's a part 2 I have to finish later tonight. But right now, I'm waiting for Em and Mabel and we're going to traffic just to cool off because we've been indoors since we got back, so we're just going for drinks, I believe, and maybe food. I doubt I can't eat because of because I'm doing intermittent fasting. But did they send you? Like everyone is not there. She'll be there and say hi. Okay. What's wrong with me? See my camera. It's working now.
Yeah, but look at it now. You're not seeing the quality.
No, like it's different. Like the no shade, but the X game. Yeah, I think that's probably why. Don't worry, we're going to ruggedy like that.
Okay, oh yeah, now.
God is king. Okay. Hi guys.
What's up? Where you
Why you like
this? What's up?
The way I look, like, see, dear future husband, if you catch me like this, like, this is not my real face, so we are, like, it's so crazy, like, the restaurant is just, like, at our backyard, like, who are we, like, we don't deserve this, and this is traffic, like, who goes to traffic looking like this? Please, dear.
Only Vivian.
Like,
only Vivian.
See, man, I'm bad. See, I'm bad. See, y'all, I have like t-shirts, sports bra, pajamas, trousers, and like bougie. Like, I'm bad. Please, let's go. Let's just go. Hi. Good evening. Didn't even stop me. Like, I'm that bad. It couldn't even stop. I know, it's like something like this happened to us one time. I think it was I